everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to invite friends on Margex. Margex allows you to invite friends through its referral program where you can earn rewards for every friend who signs up and trades using your referral code. So here is how you can do it. Open up your Margex application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your homepage of Margex, go ahead and look for the Invite to Earn button, which should be available on the top right corner. Simply tap on it, and on the next page, it'll show you your referral code or link. Tap the little square buttons right next to the referral link to copy your referral link to your clipboard. Once you do that, tap on the Share Link button or simply select one of the contacts you'd like to invite to Margex. After choosing a contact from your device's contact list or via any social messaging app, you will be able to share your referral link. Ask your friends to click your referral link or enter your code during the registration process, and when they complete the first sign up and start trading, you will earn rewards. And that is how you will be able to invite friends on Margex platform. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.